can see the farm equipment lined up there. This is, I think so, it might be for the sugar cane or for corn. It's humongous, it's huge equipment. Yeah, this is one more. All are farm equipments. Imagine the scale, the technology they are using in Italy. It's for the government and the agencies to use this technology for the Indian upgradation. Here is a tractor, small tractor, which, but with a cabin. If you see, all the tractors are in the cabin here. No open tractors. See the tires there, and what we have in India. I think so. This tractor scan is available in India, but I don't know whether the tires are the same or not. It's a fully farm mechanized event. A fully farm mechanized. I'll catch you up. Thank you.